Dear viewers, are you ready to transform your bedroom into a modern, cozy, and stylish sanctuary? Look no further. Let's start with the color scheme. Opt for soothing neutrals like soft grays, warm tops, and crisp whites to create a calming atmosphere. Incorporate pops of color with vibrant through pillows, a statement rug, or a bold piece of artwork to add personality to the space. When it comes to furniture, choose sleek contemporary pieces with clean lines to give your bedroom a modern touch. Invest a comfortable mattress and luxurious bedding to ensure a good night's sleep and to enhance the overall coziness of the room. Add personal touches with family photos, decorative accents, and plants to make the space feel truly yours.